Hi friends, in last class we have seen about if statement. In if statement, if the condition is true, the block of statements will be executed. In the upcoming we are going to see if else statement. In if else statement, the syntax is if condition, the statement block 1 and the else statement block 2. If the condition is true, the statement block 1 is executed. If the condition is false, then the statement block 2 will be executed. For if statement, there is no else part and all, because only if the condition is true, the statements will be executed. Otherwise, the statement below the if statement will be executed. For that condition, we are moving to if else statement. Here we have two options. One is if the condition is true, statement block 1 is executed. If the condition is false, statement block 2 is executed. For example, if A is greater than B, printf A is bigger. Else printf B is bigger. If we are giving A value as 10 and B value as 20. So for in that we are applying that values in the program. A is 10 and B is 20. Comparing, A is greater than B. The condition is false because A value is 10 and B value is 20. So we are moving to else part. Printf B is bigger. So this part will be printed. B is bigger. So for the same condition, we are giving another one input as A is equal to 5 and then B is equal to 2. In this situation, if A5 is greater than 2, 5 is greater than 2, the condition is true. So that part, first part block 1, printf A is bigger, that will be executed. The output will be of A is bigger, that will be shown in the output. So once again we are reviewing if else statement. If condition is true, statement block 1 will be executed. If the condition is false, statement block 2 will be executed. Thank you friends. For more videos, subscribe this channel.